welcome to the Pretty Project. My name is Polly, and I know that a couple of days ago I had posted a video on my Chanel finds, and so I had promised you guys that I was going to do the Cartier video, and I got them in. I'm sorry, I can't stop staring at them. Like, I just can't. I have them over here. I cannot stop wearing them. I mean, it's a little ridiculous. I mean, I just can't stop staring at my wrist. I feel like all day I'm just going like this. I'm obsessed. Okay, so I'm just gonna get right into it. So I got the Cartier nail bracelet that we see all over the blogs and Pinterest. At least I've been seeing them on Pinterest. Can you guys see that? So if you don't know about the Cartier, they kind of became really popular back when, a couple years ago, when Kylie Jenner was having them on her wrist. And the big thing about the Cartier love bracelets, which I'm gonna show you guys today too, is that you have to screw them on. So they come apart, and then you have to screw them on with the screw that comes with every single Cartier bracelet. You guys see that? So I actually have it on here. I'm gonna take it off actually on video, but I'm gonna show you guys the nail ones first. But that's the love bracelet that has to be screwed on, so it comes apart. And then, but this is the nail one. So so it comes with every single Cartier bracelet comes with the screw. It's a little screw that comes out, if you guys can see that. So, and that comes right there. And then the nail bracelet, there's different versions of it. Not everyone has all the studs, but I love the studs because it's just so pretty. The Swarovski crystals and diamonds. But it's all the way around. You guys can even see. Is it coming into focus? So, okay, so how it comes apart, I don't know if you guys can see that right here. I'm trying to get a good angle. So, and it has the Cartier engraved in it. So you pull this little part. You have to be really easy with it because it doesn't need to take a lot of force. So it's just a friction, so it snaps on in that hole with a friction like that. And then you just gently pull it apart on that side. And then it just snaps on. So I like to layer mine. And I like to wear I love to wear my bracelets in odd numbers because the law of design is always in threes, in odd numbers. So I always like to have at least 5 of the love bracelets, or like 5 of the different mixed and matched, or 7. I just like to have an odd number. But I have another one, but I left it at work. Anyway, so for right now I have the more of the love bracelets coming in, and then I have the nail bracelets. But I just love seeing them just all stacked. And they come in different colors. They come in silver, gold, rose gold. So the nail bracelets that I got are rose gold, and then my love bracelet is gold, because I kind of like mixing some of the metals like that, so I don't feel so much like all gold like, you know, Mr. T, which I don't think it would look that bad. Just a preference right now I'm kind of into. But I love seeing them just kind of all stacked. They're really just so pretty. I mean, I just get so many compliments of them. I'm constantly going like this. But they're so pretty. Can you guys see all that? All the jingle and bling. Ugh. So I'm obsessed. Like, I just can't stop talking about them. Okay, so on the love bracelet, I'm gonna unscrew it. So hope it doesn't take too long while I'm on camera. Where's the screw? Okay, so it has 2 different screws. If I can find it. I'm gonna take this off while I take the love bracelets off so I can actually see it. So the love bracelets, apparently, I was reading on history of it. So the creator of Cartier, I can't remember the name off the top of my head right now. So apparently he designed it as a modern day, no joke, as a form of the chastity belt, which is kind of misogynistic, I guess, but it could be kind of romantically cool. So, and apparently you're not supposed to buy them for yourself. They're supposed to be given to you by a spouse or loved one, or a significant other, excuse me. But that'd be really weird if it's a loved one. So, which just kind of sucks because, like, I had to tell my husband, like, hey, I want this, I want this, I want this. So I had to, like, rely on him because I wanted to, like, play into the whole, you know, you buy it for me because it has to be done by a loved one. Okay, can I get enough? Okay, there it goes. Okay, so you just unscrew it like that, and it has the little screws right there. And then it comes apart right there. So that screw will stay in. And then it's engraved on the inside with the SKU number and the copyright and all that stuff. So, I mean, it's just so pretty. I think they retail around like 5,000 or 10,000 each. They say that, but I went into the Cartier store and they're not bad. So, but I didn't pay $5,000 for them. They weren't cheap by any means, but I think that's just all hype in the magazines and stuff. But it says Cartier has the IP address, the copyright, made in Italy, and all that stuff. You can see that. So you put them together like this on your bracelet. So it really does take another person, because I don't think I could put it on by myself. So, and it just kind of goes like that. And then you stay on the bracelet. So I take them off because we flip houses. And so I do take them off for that because I don't want to catch it on. But they do not rust. And if people were kind of curious about that. But I mean, it's real gold and titanium, so it shouldn't. But I do keep them on all day and night, which is funny because I keep my bracelets on, but I don't keep my wedding ring on. So I don't know what it is about my fingers that I just can't deal with it. But I do have this on all the time. So, so that's that. I do have those. So I'll put these back on. I don't have time to put the Cartier bracelet back on. But the other thing that I wanted to show you guys was the Gucci belt that I got. So it came in this little box. It's all engraved. It's really pretty. I didn't keep the outside tissue. I should have, but. And then put this on. I love this belt so much. I did make a mistake though. I did not order it in the right size. So I forgot to order it in metric. So one thing, you know, in the States versus ordering overseas in England and Italy, that they are on the metric system over there. So it is so heavy, I can't even tell you, but I'm obsessed with this belt, just obsessed. But I mean, it is long. I mean, this thing goes around me twice because I'm like a size 2 or 4. Anyways, but it is so stinking heavy, but I love it because, you know, it's quality and Gucci, made in Italy. It has the nice notch. I wanted to wear it so bad, I kid you not. So I ordered the wrong size, right? But I wanted to wear it so bad that I had my husband drill a hole in it. So, because I could not stop wearing it. But, I mean, it is, the quality of it is insane. So it's hot stamped with the Gucci and then the emblem and then the IP number, or not IP number, the SKU number. It's Italian leather. It is, I'm about to hit myself in the face, good Lord. I'm a hot mess, y'all. I swear, I am a hot mess. It is just so pretty. I mean, it looks so good with a crisp white tee tucked in, or a black turtleneck. I'm always about black turtlenecks. Or bodysuit, or, I mean, it is just, in a floppy hat. Oh, it is just so pretty. I love it so much. I love it. And it's just it's good quality. It just, I mean, it's just so, it looks so perfect on, I swear. But, which I'm sure you guys have all seen, if you guys can see that. It's just so pretty. But, so I got that too. The Gucci belt and then the Cartier bracelets I wanted to share with you guys today. So if you guys have any questions, you know, let me know. Christmas is coming up, so you definitely need to get one for your man and for yourself. That way you guys can be Gucci'd out. So we're gushing over Gucci, aren't we, today? So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'm excited to share with you guys some more stuff this week that's coming in. Yeah, so I keep my Cartier bracelets over there, so I keep looking over there because I just can't stop staring at it. It's just so stinking cute. But so like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you guys are thinking and feeling. And I just appreciate your guys' time, and we'll see you next week. So have a great week, guys. Live life, love others. Bye.